Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ahmad Akbar Afridi, and today again in this video we would be studying answering vocabulary questions. So first of all, I was telling you how should you do that. Usually these questions come in P2, no sorry in P1, and that comes in comprehension. Okay, so as I have already talked about the two portions, portions which comes in this question. So now today we would be talking about the third one. Quote the word that. Okay, so you get the question that it is, for example, you are given the word that in line number 29 a word is being used that is amazing. Now in the same paragraph, quote the word that has the same meaning. It should be from the paragraph. And for example, in the beginning of the paragraph it is written fabulous somewhere, so you would say fabulous. Just you would in quotation, quotations are like when two type of commas on the upper side of the words, so that is quotation, and over there we would just write answer. Okay, so from here we learn that we should always answer uh, with how the examiner have questioned us. If he would say write a full sentence, so we have to write a full sentence. If he would say to just quote a word, so we have to just quote a word, because it would make us score good. If we would not follow his instructions, so this would affect our results. Okay, you may be asked to copy from the passage a word or expression which shows or prove something. In question 9 above, which single word shows the time of the year when influenza is common? Okay, the sentence is in the winter months, influenza is a common illness in many countries. So, in winter, it shows. Okay, now these questions are based on the sentences in exercise 3 above. In question 1, which word tells us that Mary believed that Ben had caused the accidents? Okay, so we are asked to quote a word which says that what was the reason of Ben's accident according to Mary. Okay, Mary blamed Ben for the accident. In question word, which word tells us that Mary believed that Ben caused the accident? So the word is blamed. Okay, in question 2, which word suggests that the writer admired the soap? So the question asks us that which word, uh, like admired, mean seeing something in the when we are like in Urdu we see tarif, when we are just apprehending something, or that's okay. When we went to the factory, the production manager explained to us step by step how palm oil was transformed into heat bars of soap. Okay, so the question is that what word shows that the writer admired the soap? When we went to the factory, the production manager explained to us step by step how palm oil was transferred into neat bars of soap. So the word is that neat bars, because it is admiring the soap. Okay, we carried the unconscious swimmer from the water and tried to revive him. In question 3, which word tells us that the swimmer was not aware of what was happening? So the word was unconscious. In question 4, which word tells us that more than one person helped the man? We applied artificial respiration. A few minutes later, the man came round and opened his eyes. The man came round. This word shows came round. This word shows that there were some other people as well. In question 5, which expression shows the route taken by the man? The man bought large quantities of watches and stored them near the border. Then their informants assured them the coast was clear. They carried the watches across the border by means of a path through the mountains. Okay, the question is, in question from which expression shows the route taken by the man? So, by means of path through the mountains. This what shows that he took the path of the mountain. Now, as this question was given to you in like question form, but tomorrow we would be discussing whether how you have to answer if you would be given the question in um, if it would be like in MCQs form, when you will be given four choices and you would be asked that this word, where does